What's up, Candy Keepers? Little Candy Gamer here. Today I'm just going to be having a random talk to you guys about everything and nothing all at once. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I bring out a new video every Wednesday if you're in Australia, or Tuesday in the US. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because it helps boost my YouTube ratings, and I love you guys for that. Anyway, so I'm doing a picture of my Lucario in the background. This has been kind of like a hell of a week this week. I've just been so busy between commissions and just everything else. It's just been kind of hectic. But I have had my baby's grandma here, who's my partner's mother, to help me out, so that's kind of been the saviour here, with just so much work going on. You might have noticed that I've posted a lot of digital art lately. I'm trying to get better at that, but I'm a bit of a noob when it comes to digital art. I kind of am not happy with the way that my art's going at the moment. I think that I'm at a level where I can see that my art's pretty, but I'd like it to be at that next level where I'm doing really detailed stuff, I guess, and just what I'm doing is not really that detailed, so I'm going to try to be doing extra things and going the extra mile. Like I did a Torchic digital art, and I added some rainbow feathers, a branch and a background, which was just a simple background because I'm still learning how to make backgrounds and everything, and that's fine. That's gonna take me some time to get to a level where I feel happy with it, which is never every artist ever. But yeah, even with my galaxies, I've been trying to make small improvements. You might see that I'm trying to make some more cloud shapes, and I've been doing things digitally first, which helps a lot, so you've got a little plan of where all your colours are going to go, so it's mapped out for you. It's not for lack of work. I've been getting the same amount of commissions, but I just don't feel happy with where I am at my art. I know that I can do better. I see some other amazing artists, and whilst they're really inspiring to me, I find myself comparing myself hey, her art is covering that full page, her line art is so detailed, it's every scale of that dragon and every feather, and oh my gosh, I'd really love to be at that level, so I'm just putting in the effort now. I've been working really hard every day, and hopefully that means that you guys will see some improvement from me soon. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, that's basically just why I decided to make a voiceover today, because I really hate making these. I don't know if for whatever reason I just hate talking for a really long time. But I decided to just let you guys know where I'm at, and that you should be expecting a lot more great things from me this year, hopefully. I just, I want to do right by the people that are supporting me, you guys. I really appreciate all this support. My Facebook page is growing, my YouTube is growing, my Instagram's pretty much already grown. I don't really like Instagram that much because of some bad drama that happened over the course of a year. It's just really put me off that app. I hate it. Even though my bullies are pretty inactive at the moment, it makes me feel a little bit better. It's oh, they're not doing anything. And I'm improving, so that makes me a little bit happier, I guess. Anyway, this video is of my Galaxy Lucario, which took quite a while. The galaxy parts didn't take that long. I think the black actually took up half of the drawing time because of how hard it is to get black colour into the paper. Oh, and I picked up a commission, speaking of black, I had this really nice customer contact me. I think I might have mentioned it on Facebook as well. And he wanted me to do this drawing on black paper, and I was like, oh, I don't really have any black paper. And this guy is so nice. He was just oh, how much does the black paper cost? And so I factored it into the cost for him, and he's paid for it up front. He paid for my black paper and my deposit, so I'm going to be doing a drawing soon of Haunter on a black paper. Apparently it's pretty different to draw in black paper. I've never done that before, so yeah, there's that. That's coming up soon in the future. I'm not quite sure how to go about it, but I know with black paper you need to layer up white pencil to cover up as much of the black pigment as you can, so I'll probably just be watching some tutorials on how to do this before I make my drawing, you know, maybe do some test swatches up. It's going to be really interesting. Hey, who knows, some people might want some drawings on some black paper in the future. It's the same size as the other paper. So yeah, that's going to be exciting and fun, and at the moment I'm working on a few things. I'm working on my Mudkip milkshake, I'm working on a Lulu, Cosmic Enchantress Lulu commission for Caroline. Hello Caroline. And I'm really enjoying that. I'm going to try my best to make it really as detailed as I can for her and hopefully do a good job, because I've never done anything like that digitally before. Lulu is quite a complex character. She's from League of Legends, for those of you who aren't aware of, you know, League of Legends characters. So I really like League of Legends, and actually I want that skin now. I've been playing a little bit of Lulu in League. I don't know why, I was just like, I'm doing this skin, I'm gonna play Lulu now, and I kind of want the skin. I don't know how much it is. I think it can't be more than $10. I'll probably end up getting it. But yeah, this is my random rambling, ranting video for you guys. I haven't really done a sort of just talking video where it's kind of like a little bit like a podcast in a while, where I just can talk freely with you guys, like this not a topic video sort of thing. I've kind of really wanted to go live and stuff and answer people's questions, but it's so difficult for me with a 3-year-old running around. That's why I've had to get his gran to come and help for the next couple of weeks, because I don't have that much time to do my art anymore. If I'm honest, like, I try my best to get your guys' commissions done, but there are only sort of like so many hours in the day, and I get done what I can. It's usually when baby's sleeping, if I don't fall asleep while I'm putting him to sleep, in which case it's when he goes to bed at night time, if I don't fall asleep while I'm putting him to bed. Other than that, he takes priority, so, you know, I'm often like going to the park with him, or we go on like 3 to 5 walks a day, and we go and see the other kids at the park. He likes that. And I have Wednesdays, so he's at daycare on Wednesdays. And yeah, so that's pretty much my life. I'm a mum first and an artist second, because I never want to put him second, because that's what my mother did with me. Her career always came first, and I can tell you firsthand, it's not a very nice experience, and I don't want that for my son, because I love him so much, and he's my entire world. Like, people say your 2-year-old is not your best friend, but honestly, Jax is my best friend. And he is such a happy, affectionate little boy, and I just want to dedicate most of my time to him. So people are gonna have to wait. That's just the way things are at the moment till he starts school, which is in a few years. So I get the help when I can, and I don't feel bad about that, because I have someone helping me and he loves playing with his gran, so I'm not going to feel too bad about that. Anyway, so yeah, basically I have very limited time to do my art at the moment. I do enjoy the week's break that I get when I can just fully work on art for you guys. That makes me happy. I feel like I can improve in that time, and yeah, that's really good. So I do appreciate that break. Anyway, I better wrap this up. Thank you for watching my video, and stay beautiful, you amazing artists and non-artists. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time on Little Candy Gamer.